Champion Power Equipment Wheel Kit is designed to fit a 2800 to 4800 watt Champion generator or open frame inverter. To determine if your generator is compatible with our wheel kit, follow this fitment guide. Look closely for the handle mount bracket on the top of the frame, support leg mounting holes on the underside of the frame, and the wheel mount brackets on the bottom of the frame. You should attach your wheel kit before adding oil or fuel to your unit. If necessary, drain the oil and fuel from the unit before assembly. Step 1. Tip your unit on its side so you have access to the underside of the unit. Insert the first pin through the wheel and wheel bracket, secure with the R-clip, and install the wheel cap on the outside. Repeat these steps on the second wheel. Step 2. Attach the support leg by inserting the bolts through the top of the frame and tighten the nuts with 12 and 13mm wrenches. Step 3. Bring the generator upright and locate the handle mount to determine the mounting style, and use the 2 bolts and nuts to attach the handle to the frame using 12 and 13mm wrenches, or insert the pin through the mount and handle and secure with a small R-clip. Your wheel kit installation is complete. For more help guides, visit the Champion Help Center at help.championpowerequipment.com.